Actors are actors, meaning they would do anything that the director wants just so they could provide quality scenes and films. Other people think that being an actor is just a piece of cake. They are not aware of every scenario that actors must do, even though it's really gross. They exert a lot of effort and time just so they could portray things that are gross we never dreamed of doing.
This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be talking about the 10 grossest things that actors had to do for a role. So, without further ado, let's get started. Top 10. Robert Pattinson in Good Time. Getting into a specific role necessitates a significant amount of preparation and training. And in this instance, Robert Pattinson went a step further by fully immersing himself in his role to live life as he would have lived it. In the film Good Times, his nasty banker robber role was fantastic. But in order to get there, Pattinson occupied a basement apartment and resided there for months before making the picture. For the entire time he lived there, he did not even erase his curtains or wash his sheets or the clothes he slept in. Despite the fact that this is a rather unusual take to the character, and many were concerned for his safety, it came out to be genuinely outstanding and one of his greatest performances to date. But before we reveal the next actor who actually did a gross thing for a role, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now, because if you don't, you will be left curious about the gross things that the actors really did just so they would produce an incredible scene. Top 9. Halle Berry in Jungle Fever. Halle Berry, an actor in the movie entitled Jungle Fever, had no scheme how to play a drug addict in the best possible light when she was appointed in the film. After some thought, she concluded that skipping baths for 2 days of filming would be the greatest approach to convey the essence of her role. People were not sure how that would benefit, but we are guessing she had her own reasoning in mind that would allow her to make the best out of the situation. When asked about it in an interview, she merely laughed and remarked, "Ask Sam Jackson, he had to get a whiff of it." There are people who are definitely grateful for Berry, as she did offer a fantastic performance in the movie Jungle Fever, even though we feel bad for Jackson. Top 8. Shia LaBeouf in Fury. His commitment to his characters is one of the elements that make LaBeouf such a great and fantastic actor. Director David Ayer informed the cast on the set of Fury that they wanted to get him whatever they had for the film. As a result, LaBeouf took it so seriously that he enlisted in the National Guard. On top of that, he managed to pull his own tooth and went 4 months without even taking a shower. He also spent a month with the National Guard and another month with the rest of the crew at a boot camp. This enhanced LaBeouf's performance and character development. We have to agree that his commitment to the role is genuinely admirable, but it may be too much for some. Top 7. KJ Apa in Riverdale. There are people who believe that shooting Riverdale has no ramifications, and this is where some people are mistaken. Many performers have varied ways to obtain character and performance. KJ Apa is one of those characters that really immerses himself in the role till all of the sequences are completed to perfection. All of the characters run towards Cheryl after she jumps into a frozen lake and begins to drown, and Appa, portrayed as Archie, begins hitting the ice in an attempt to break it using his hand in one scene. Furthermore, Appa actually damaged his arm in the endeavor to break the ice, but he persevered until all of the scenes were completed. Top 6. Emilia Clarke in the Game of Thrones. There are several situations in Game of Thrones where we wonder if characters can do a particular scene and acting. There are many items and computer-generated images that were used in the program, and some scenes had to be filmed exactly as they were. Clarke's role was forced to consume a raw horse heart in one episode. Actually, Emilia didn't eat a real horse heart, but she did consume a candy imitation that was supposed to taste like gummy bears. Emilia described it as tasting like jam combined with something strange, and that it made her so nauseous that she needed sick buckets in between portions. Top 5. Leonardo DiCaprio in The Revenant. DiCaprio understood very well that the movie entitled The Revenant was all about survival more than anyone. He was adamant that he would devote everything he had to this part and produce a great film. Having that kind of goal allowed him to sleep inside an animal carcasses for the movie to get a sense of how the man who did this felt. Furthermore, he also consumed raw meat because according to him, it would not look good in the scene if he would just eat a fake one. In a heavy wet bear fur, he would wade through frigid water and hike up the mountain. And much more, he claimed that executing all of this was torturous yet beneficial to his performance. For this reason, all of it paid off in the end when he won an Oscar for his great performance. Top 4. Joey King in The Kissing Booth. The Kissing Booth trilogy is one of many films that people really admired. Starting from the incredible cast, romantic scenes, and plot twists that appear in the films. There aren't too many extreme events in the film that would require an actor to completely train for years in the part. However, people should never criticize and judge an actor just on the basis of his or her performance in a film. Furthermore, Joey King was on the edge of puking in one moment, but she managed to hold it together for the duration of the action. She did, however, puke up thereafter. She and Lee were intended to eat hamburgers and talk on set, but owing to the several takes, she overeats the hamburger to the point that she was too full to run and she couldn't shoot her next part. Top 3. Anne Hathaway in Les Miserables. There is no denying that Anne Hathaway's portrayal in Les Miserables is unquestionably one of her best films she accomplished. With this reason, it's really no surprise she won the Oscar for it. As it appears to be a simple scenario to film, there was one in which the actress was asked to sing, although actual fish carcasses were placed around her to set the mood. Hathaway would have to sing a 5-minute song 20 times on stage while feeling the foul stench emanating from the fish carcasses all around her, which became worse with minute owing to the heat from the lights beaming on them. And we are still not sure how she got to remain in the role while doing so. Top 2. Will Ferrell in Elf. Will Ferrell's character in Elf was all about eating sweets and candy. Therefore, we're talking about candy inventions here. Even if it's fine to eat candy, the amount he consumed in this film was alarming. He got nauseated from the combinations and all of the mixed candy on occasion. Additionally, anyone who thinks he didn't consume that is completely mistaken. Ferrell has stated that he ate all of the sweet spaghetti and drank a lot of Coca-Cola to fully immerse himself in character. Because of the sugar in his system, he couldn't sleep on some nights. Furthermore, the cotton balls in the doctor's office, which were also produced from the cotton candy, were among the strange things he did eat that made him experience chronic headaches. Top 1. Jennifer Lawrence in The Hunger Games. The Hunger Games trilogy is well known for being a thrilling ride. On filming, actors did all kinds of strange things, but the part where Jennifer Lawrence consumes raw fish stood out above others. Also, large number of people would assume the raw fish is really not real, but Lawrence wanted it to look authentic and true to the circumstances, so she ate raw fish while filming. Despite her lack of enthusiasm, she gathered herself together and delivered an outstanding job. Although her off-screen expressions did not indicate that she appreciated the fish more than we did while watching the scene, she did say that it tasted just like it smelled. Actors are really amazing as they will do everything even though they are really gross in nature. They do not seem to care just so they could execute properly their given roles. Who are other actors you know who did gross scenes for a role? Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below.
If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.